I said, it is raining, raining outside, outside again. I said, it is raining, and it's messing up my day. I said, rain, 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 go away and come back some other day because you're messing up my day. I can't go outside, go outside to do nothing. I said do nothing because you are raining, 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 rain again. I gotta find something to do because now I'm stuck in the house. I am in the house and I need to find something. I said, find something to do because it is raining. Raining outside. I need to find something to do inside. My mom and my daddy don't want me to go outside because it is raining. It is raining outside. My mama and my daddy don't want me. I said, mama, mama, my mother don't want me to go outside because it is raining and I can't go out to play. I can't go out to play because it's raining. It is messing. I said, messing up my day. I said, I can't go outside to do nothing. I said, no, nothing. Nothing outside. I can't go outside because it is raining. I can't work outside. Now I gotta find something to do. Find something to do. Something in the house because I can't go outside. Go outside to play. Mama don't want me. I said, Daddy don't want me to go outside because I might get wet. I will get wet because it is raining, raining outside. So I gotta find something to do in the house. Now I am stuck in, I said stuck in the house. I can't go outside, go outside. I said outside to play. Do. I can't go. Do. Outside. Do. To play. Do. To work. Do. Because. Do. I might get. Do. I will get wet. Now I'm stuck in the house. I gotta find something to do. Maybe I can play with my toys, play some videos, watch my favorite cartoons. I said watch some cartoons, watch some TV, but I gotta find something to do. Get on my computer. I said go ahead and search the web. Check out some YouTube. I need to find something to do. Find something to do because I can't go outside. If I go outside, I will get wet because it is raining. Rain. I said go away. Come back, yeah. I said Come back some other day, but not today. I can't go out to play. I said I can't go out to play because you are raining. Man, and you're messing up my day. I can't go outside to play. My mama, my daddy don't want me to go outside because they think I'm gonna get wet. I will get wet because it's raining out loud. It's raining outside. So I gotta find something to do because I'm stuck in the house. Maybe I can watch some cartoons. Maybe I can play some videos. Maybe I can watch my favorite TV show. Maybe I can play with my toys. Maybe I can search the web, get on YouTube. But I gotta find something to do. Find something to do because it is raining. Raining outside. I can't go outside. Go outside to play. Go outside to work because it is raining. It is raining. Now I'm stuck inside. I gotta find something to do. Man, rain, go away. Go away, rain, and come back some other day. Rain. Go away and come back. Come back some other day. Come back some other day. But rain, go away. Because I can't go out to play. I can't go outside because it's raining. I can't work outside. Like rain. Go away. Yeah, go away, rain. Because you're messing up my day. Go away and come back some other day. Rain. Go away. Because you're messing up my day. You're messing up my day. Yeah, you are.